Hello. So welcome traders. I want us to review our trading analysis on the gold position that I just sent out. So as usual, we start our analysis on the bigger time frame. So looking on the bigger time frame, we observe that over the last couple of weeks, we have been in a trading range. So the trading range has been from resistance level 3 up to support level 2. So this has been the trading range over the last couple of weeks. So and again, trading a range is actually the easiest money available to you, since if we have been trading this range over the last couple of weeks, the basic approach, the basic guideline is that you want to sell resistance and you want to buy the support area over the last couple of weeks. That has been the trading range on the gold position. So I want us to observe this current the last 3 weeks. So this support level 2, support level 1 is holding very nicely, and considering that the body over the last couple of weeks, this main pivot point is actually very strong. So pivot point is actually the strongest of the support and resistance. And whatever is happening right now is what is of importance to us. In that, uh, considering we're coming from support level 1, this is a new week. And again, today prices are trading above my pivot point. So I want to consider going long positions. And then this is on the weekly chart. So I want to consider going for the long positions. Also recalling that this range has been intact for the last couple of weeks. So that's the main the main the main the main trend on this gold. So right now we are currently at a support area. So stepping to the daily time frame, you can see now the last couple of days we have been in a continuous bullish momentum upon reaching this support level 1. So again, stepping to the lower time frame, I want us now to look at the pivot point analysis on this particular one. Again, we said to spot the trend, look at these fractals, look at the way they are aligned. In this particular scenario, you can see these higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low formation, higher high, a new higher low. So it's a continuous movement, but then the trend is going upwards. So on today's trading session, I want us to observe how the market opened. So recalling this continuation of the bullish trend, the uptrend, so you want to look at the general guideline. So the first thing that you want to do is to establish the trading range. So when we're in a bullish market scenario, our trading range is from support level 1 up to resistance level 2. That is the trading range in a bullish market scenario. So as a general guideline, you want to wait for the market open. So the market will open above my pivot point. This is the market open candlestick. This is today's market open. So the market will open above my pivot point. So what I want to do, I want to wait for a retracement to this pivot point zone. This is my perfect buy position. So I take my entry along this zone, 1887 all the way up to 1884. This particular zone is an entry zone. And then our stop loss level has to be 1875. So we have our stop loss level slightly below the pivot point level, pivot point. Yeah, so that's the stop loss level. Again, we already have, since now we are not expecting these prices to go beyond this pivot point. That's why we have our stop loss level 1875. Sometimes prices might break this pivot point as they try to get to this support level 1, but then they fall short. Since the whole of this range from pivot point up to support level 1, this acts as our target low for the day. So this is where we can expect the reversal for the day to happen along this zone. Since now we're expecting that the market should go higher and form a new higher high, this kind of this movement, so we have a new lower low. So now this is the previous higher high. So now we're expecting that the prices should go higher and form a new higher high. Then we can expect that our new higher high will be along this as resistance level 1. And if it breaks this level, then we can expect it to head to the resistance level 2. So that's the take profit levels are already secured. So we have our entry stop loss level that's on the gold position. So let's just be patient and wait on it. Also looking here on the 4-hour time frame, you can see the same movement we have been. So this is the previous higher low, and then we have higher high. So this now fractal confirms to us this is the new higher low. So we have this higher low, higher low, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. We have a new higher low. So you can see the movement. The higher low keeps getting higher, higher, and higher. So this is now the current higher low, which is still above my pivot point level. So now I'm expecting to see perhaps a play out to this new higher high. I'm expecting it to come to 1900 and also maybe surge forwards towards 1918 levels. So that's the scenario that I'm expected to see on this particular one. So cheers, guys. Let's be patient and wait on it.